Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about my recent mistakes in my nano planted tank. If you are new to this channel, this is my 10-gallon nano planted tank. I set up this tank few months ago and it was housing shrimps and white cloud mountain minnows. As you can see, plants are growing like weed and tank looks awesome. I never had any algae issue in this tank. Plant health wise, I call this tank a great success. But livestock wise, it's a disaster. Few weeks ago, I decided to add 6 white cloud mountain minnows in this tank. As of today, I have only 2 left. Remaining 4 jumped out of the tank. I had fair experience in keeping minnow, and to be honest, these are among the hardiest fish in hobby. But yet, this time I failed miserably in keeping them for long term. I did a round of analysis on my failure and wanted to share it with you. This will be a generic discussion on why my fish jumped from my tank and what can be done to fix this. But before I start why my minnows jumped, I want to share why I choose minnows for my scape in first place. I live in Mississauga, Canada. Winter is harsh in this part of the world. Even though inside my apartment, pleasant temperature is maintained by room heater, but in my planted tank, I have seen temperature reaching 16 degrees Celsius or 60.8 degree Fahrenheit. I normally don't use heater in my nano planted tank, and truly speaking, my plants, especially moss, love lower temperature. Hence, keeping my situation in mind, I have very limited fish choice. Following are the fishes which can be kept without a heater in my planted tank. Danios like Celestial Pearl Danio, White Cloud Mountain Minnow, Sunset Varietas Platypus, Shiners, Endler's Guppy, Clown Killifish. These are among the most popular nano fish choice which I had. Out of this choice, I choose White Cloud Mountain Minnow simply because they are hardy, cheap and beautiful in my opinion. But during a course of 1.5 months, I lost most of my minnows. I think followings are the main reasons for my minnow to jump out of my tank. Number 1. White cloud minnows actually originate from a fast flowing river of China. They love flow in water, and in my opinion, 10-gallon tank is too small for them to thrive. Being cheap, they are mostly advised to be kept in smaller tanks. But with my recent experience, I feel they need good amount of open space to thrive. I learned this lesson hard way. Number 2. I had been given all 6 male minnows. In my observations, males can be really territorial, and especially in limited 10-gallon space, they will chase down bullied minnows. This is the main reason I believe I lost 4 fishes out of 6. Small place and all males made the situation worse. I feel these minnows at least require a 20-gallon tank, and the male-female ratio needs to be maintained as 1:3. Reason number 3. I do large water change in weekend. Presence of moss bed in tank and large water change trigger orgy among these minnows. Here is a video which is shot just after water change. You can see them fighting over a spot on moss clump. The male minnows are looking to secure a spot for breeding, where they plan to entice a female minnow. I observed most of my fishes jumped after water change, and I did notice good amount of sparring among male minnows before I found dead fish on floor. So sometimes things which are good for your fishes can also cause harm. In this particular case, water change, which is responsible for triggering breeding behavior among the minnows, resulted in fighting among the males, out of which the bullied males jumped out of the tank. Number 4. My fish tank is placed in a drawing room where no light lamp is present. I believe during night, pitch black darkness and surrounding sudden sound do cause stress to fishes, which result in fish jumping out of tank. Number 5. I take utmost care of my fish tank. So poor water quality or lack of oxygen, which can be major attributes for fish jumping out of tank, are not considered in this case. In same tank, my shrimps are absolutely doing fine. So considering that, I feel there is no issue with tank's water quality. I have seen many cases where fishes are jumping out of tank due to poor water quality. To conclude above discussion, I will say white cloud mountain minnows are not suitable for a 10-gallon tank unless you have a cover for the tank. If you decide to keep minnows, please consider having a good mix of male and female ratio. Less male fish and more female minnows are key to success. As of today, I'm left with only 2 white cloud mountain minnow in my tank. I believe they will do fine because they both have found 2 separate places for themselves in the tank. They do spar at each other, but mostly they take refuge of plants to get away from fighting. I have a plan of adding different fish to this tank. So please let me know what do you think about my recent experience with minnow. Also suggest me some fish which can be kept in this particular planted tank. I'll be looking forward to see your recommendations in this case. So we have reached to the end of this video. I hope you like it so far. Do let me know what you think about this video and share your comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.